Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute old. I never thought through love would be making one as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely, made from love?
Hi Gab, happy birthday and enjoy your day and good luck sa college life. Stay pretty, alam mo yan.
Happy birthday, Pinay. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo, Gab. So, ayun. Wala akong masabi. Masabi ko lang, sana gawin mong best day. Yung day mo. Kasi sa'yo yan. And, ayun, parang ang bilis na nangyari. Kasi nga, parang kahapon lang. Tapos, biglang boom, 18th birthday mo na kagad. So, ayun. Sana gawin mo palagi yung best mo just like you did nung previous na pangyayari. Ayun, always priority your family then. And good luck sa life. Yun lang. Yun, sana wag ka magbabago. And stay cute. Sabi mo last time nag-chat ako sa'yo, sabi mo cute ka pa din eh. So yun, stay cute. Ayun lang, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Gab.
Happy birthday, Pag Pinay. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Chat ko na lang, good.
Hey Gab, happy birthday. Yan, 18 ka na raw. At ang 18 ay simula lang yan sa mga marami pang pwede mong pagdaanan sa buhay. Ngayon, college ka na. Sana mas pagbutihan mo pa. At nakita ko yung pagiging mabuti mong bata, estudyante, anak. Yan, miss na namin yung lemon mo, mga teachers. Sana maka-order pa rin kami. So, ayan. Sana ay yung kung paano ka nag-improve yung senior high ay mas mag-improve ka pa sa college. Hindi lang sa college, maging sa susunod mo pang journey sa buhay mo. Ayun, happy birthday na. Kapag kailangan ng tulong, chat me, message me. So, try natin tulungan. So, happy birthday! Isang mabuting officer ng 12 days na. God bless you.
Hi, Gab. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Gab. Enjoy ka. Sana kilala mo pa ako.
Happy 18th birthday, Gab. Wish you all the best.
Hi Gabby, happy birthday. 18 ka na, I wish you all the best. And thank you for the friendship. Since elementary, magkaibigan na tayo. And sana kahit marami pang taon na dumating, hindi mawala ang closeness natin. Yun lang, happy birthday, I love you.
Happy 18th, Tarush. Charot. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Gal. I love you always.
Happy 18th birthday, Chicken Pinay. Sana lahat ng plano natin na alis ay matupad na at makulayan. At maraming salamat sa mga magagandang shot, magagandang take ng picture. Yun lang, happy birthday. Love you, Gab.
Happy birthday, Ate Gab. God bless you. Stay pretty always. Study hard. Wow.
Happy birthday, Gab!
Happy birthday, Ate Gab.
Happy 18th birthday! We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Gab.
Hi, Bangax. Happy legality. And I just want you to know na I'm always here to support and help you. Yun lang muna. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday to my most favorite enemy sister in the world. I hope maintain mo pa this college yung pagiging academic achiever like me. And sana hindi mo na rin gamitin yung mga new fit ko. Charot lang. Happy birthday, Gab.
Entry pambato ko yan, ano ko yan. Gap! Boses na boses ko yan